Hey guys, Sak here from SAKITECH, and in today's video we are going to be talking about the Magsafe charger for the iPhone that Apple just recently released. Now, a lot of people have been asking me the question, does the Magsafe charger work with Android smartphones? And the answer to that question is in fact yes. The Magsafe does charge any Android smartphone that does in fact support wireless charging. So here I have a bunch of Android smartphones. We got the OnePlus, we got the Google Pixel, Samsung phones, and even an iPhone right over here. So we're just gonna test all of them one by one, and I'm gonna show you guys that everything works nice and properly. If you are thinking about buying this charger right here, which seems to attract some people's attention. So it certainly does the job of a wireless charger. So let's see how it works and how well it works. So let's start off with the OnePlus right over here. I'm going to go down the line. I'm going to see if it works, how the magnetic connection works, and all that stuff on each one of these phones. All right, so first we have the OnePlus phone right here. Now I'll let you know all the phones here support the wireless Qi standard, and the Magsafe also uses the same standard. All right, so it should be compatible with all these phones. So let's grab up the phone and put it on top of the actual Magsafe. Okay, so is it gonna work? Let's give it a couple seconds over here. I did hear a little bleep, so it must be charging the actual battery. It is charging the battery. I can see it on the top. We have the charging indicator. If I turn this off real quick, okay, you can see it says charging wirelessly right over here. So Magsafe does work with OnePlus. The magnetic connection is actually happening, as you can see, but it's going to be very, very loose. So if I go like this, it just slides right off. Now if I put it back like this, okay, let's put it like this. If I were to grab this one, I do feel like a doctor here, but I'm going to put it right here. So that is going to be charging your phone. So if you have your phone sitting on the table just like this, an Android phone, you can grab your Magsafe and you can just plug it right there, and it's going to start to charge the phone. And you also get a voice notification, the standard voice notification. So yes, it works with this OnePlus phone, so it will work with any OnePlus phone that has wireless Qi charging. All right, so let's move on to the next one. I'm going to put this aside. I'm going to grab the Google Pixel. That's the latest Google Pixel. That's the latest Google Pixel. Okay, so first I'm going to do it like this. So I'm going to put this in the middle again. Put the phone on top. Let's see what happens. Boom, we get 20% battery life. It is in fact charging. If I turn it on and off, you'll notice that it says at the bottom, charging wirelessly, okay? And looks like it's going to be very slow for this phone. It says 7 hours until fully charged. So it's going to do a maximum slowness on the Pixel phone. You don't want to buy it for this one. Now when it comes to the magnetic attachment, this one is actually a little bit stronger than the OnePlus, okay? So it doesn't come off as easy, but if I hit it a little hard, it does come off. But it's better than what I saw on the OnePlus. The bond is stronger. So again, it will charge just like that. If you buy this thing, if you have a Pixel phone, boom, it's gonna charge. The only thing you wanna keep in mind is the magnetic alignment feature that they showcased with the iPhone 12 only works with the iPhone 12s plus one Samsung phone, which I'm going to show you in a second. So let's take this off here, put this to the side. Here's a Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Okay, so again, I'm going to flip this over. I'm going to put the Ultra on top of it. Let's see what happens. Okay, so that is charging. Let's see how fast it is. So if I look over here, it says right now the battery is at 26%, but it says 3 hours and 16 minutes until full charge. So it's just doing standard wireless charging. It is faster than the Pixel. The Pixel was much slower. Now let's grab this. The magnetic connection is very loose. I can't even lift it up with the S20 Ultra. Just a little bit. But look how it slides right off. And of course, if I have the phone like this, I can just put this before I go to sleep. It is charging. It's a nice accessory. It's $40, but if you want it, you can have it. I mean, I would recommend just a regular wireless charger, but if this is what floats your boat, you can get it. It is going to be working with all these Android smartphones. So let's try a couple more. Of course, here we have a regular iPhone. It's going to work with any iPhone 8 or above. So if you have an iPhone 8 or later, it's going to work, okay? Again, let's go like this. First, I'm going to put it like this, put it on top. Okay, it started to charge. So you can't see it maybe there, but if I turn it off and on, Well, it doesn't say it, but it's charging. Okay, so let's log into this. Okay, magnetic connection, very loose, can barely lift it. Okay, if you get the right spot, maybe a little bit, but nothing special. So I'm gonna put it like this. Yep, I heard the noise. It's charging the phone. All right, so that's great. It's working with all these phones. Here's a Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. Now, this is a special phone, it seems, because the magnetic alignment with this guy is very strong. So let me first show you the charge. Okay, I'm gonna put this right here. We're getting a charge, and then when I lift this up, the magnet is actually strongly attached to this phone. It doesn't come off even when I hit it like this. Normally it just slides off. So this phone has a strong magnetic attachment. If I put it down, lift it up, comes right with it. Okay, so look at that. It's not moving. So if you have a Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra, the connection, the magnetic connection is going to be very strong, almost as good as the iPhone 12. But the phone does charge, so that's not a problem. Now again, if I pull this down over here, you'll see that we have the same thing, 3 hours till charge. This is not a fast charger. This is not going to be a fast charger for any Android smartphone. For iPhones, 12, yes, but any Android smartphone, it's going to be a slow charger. Maybe when you go to sleep, you want to top off your phone, you want this effect right here, okay? It works. So let's put this aside. Final phone I'm going to use is the Samsung Galaxy S20 FE. Okay, so let's try that out too. There we go. This one was at 54%. If I pull this down, from 50% to 100, it's going to take 1 hour and 58 minutes, 2 hours to charge fully. Not too bad, you know, these are just regular charging speeds. If I lift it up, oh wow, that's a good connection right there. Okay, it's better than the other phones I tested other than the S20 Ultra. Yeah, that's not bad. So if you have an S20 FE, oh wow, you know, that's actually very, okay, not super tight, but it's good enough that it doesn't fall off. Look at that. Oh, there it went, okay? But again, the S20 Ultra is the strongest. But to answer your question, okay, answer that question, the Apple Magsafe will work with any Android smartphone that supports wireless charging. The magnetic connection is not going to be as strong, so you might be better off using it like this, okay? Which is not a problem. You know, you can use it just like this, unless you have the S20 Ultra. That's the only phone that seems to have a strong connection. This thing is $40. I'll drop a link down below. It might be out of stock right now, but you can probably back order it if you want. All right, guys. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, drop them down below. I'll try to answer them all. For now, have a fantastic day, all right? All right, so if you found this video useful, make sure to subscribe to SAKITECH by clicking that button, and also click that bell icon on the side to make sure you get notified every time I upload a new video. And if you do use Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook, you can follow me at SAKITECH Online to get the latest updates as well. All right, have a fantastic day.